Isolate the cold mains water and electricity supplies. Place the tap into the sink tap hole and secure in place below the sink using the removed screw fittings. Attach the swivel spout. Connect and turn on the cold water feed. Turn the lever to the right to check the cold water flow. Connect the electrical supply via the fitted plug or remove the plug and connect to a 13 amp fused spur. Turn the lever to the left for heated water and the heating LED light will illuminate. Turn the lever to the right for cold water only. As you increase the flow, the water temperature will reduce. If the water is too cold, reduce the flow by returning back towards the central position and the water will become warmer.